I didn't think I'll be here that soon, but today I have another video. And sorry if you can hear the birds chirping, chip 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 chip. I couldn't find any right spot to shoot this video, and here is the only place that I have a natural light from my window. So I'm sorry, this is the only place I could shoot this video. And I got some things from Shein. It got here yesterday, so today's video is about a mini haul from Shein. And I'm a person that as soon as I get a package, I must open it that day, that instant. But just for you guys, just for this video, I waited a whole night till this morning to show this video. So before we go on, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and comment down video ideas or if you like this video or not. Thank you. And yeah, I'll try and do my best to speak loud as I can. I think there will be a few talking in this video because I'm just going to show you some things, and I hope the birds up a little bit. So here is the package. You can see it's small, but there is something here that I've been waiting for a long time, and it's about hair. So you already know what it is. So let's go. This is all things inside. So I think this is the blush that I got from Sheglam. The package is really secure and they really make sure it doesn't get something that doesn't press on it. And this is the package. I think it's upside down. It's a cheeky color jam. Here it is. Okay. I think there's going to be a little bit of Italian in this video because sometimes I really don't know what to say in English. Some words just doesn't come to my mouth. There it is. It's a cheeky colored jam. Look at the pigment. I'm gonna use this in my next video with maybe a get ready with me or a makeup video. So I'm gonna show you how I can say it's really pigmented. The color is really bright, so I hope it is not too much for my skin tone, and I think it just depends on how much you put on your face. So I'm gonna start with the small things I got. Let's start with the beauty things first. So I showed you the blush, and also I got this set of brushes, and they also gave me this little makeup pad. I don't know what it's called. This is how it is. I got 3 of this, and I'm gonna put the prices of the things here on the screen because I don't remember them right now. And they are so pretty. They are like a marble kind of aesthetic, like paint like this. So we have the big brushes for the face, you know, foundation, blush, and etc. And these ones for the eyes, and yeah, or whatever you want to use this for. And this is, I guess, the highlighter. It's luminizer contour. Oh, it looks so cute. This it is, isn't it? Let's see. Just gonna put a tiny on my nose. Let's see. And I also got this makeup brushes cleaner, like a little mat, a little pad. There it is. It says Express Brush Cleaning Mat, and it's so easy to use. I think you just have to place it in your sink or wherever. You put some product here or maybe directly on the brush and some water, and then you just go here. And I think every section here is meant for a different type of brushes, or I don't know. And it just works like this. I also got these earrings. I think the original brand for these earrings is Bottega Verde, and it costs like 200, like more than 200. What am I saying? I think 500 and 600 something. And I got the deep one here on Shein. I'm going to try one right on. I'm gonna take these off and like this. Let's see. What? I think there's a malfunction over here. Let me see. Now that we are done with the beauty stuff and the brushes, I got 4 long sleeve tops for the fall, for the winter, and yeah, let's see how they look on me. So I got this one. It's from Shein Basics. I got in a size 2XL. And I got this top, this red top. I just realized I didn't have any red top. Okay, this is the top. It gave me some fake abs. Then I got this one. This brownish color, and by the way, all my tops are 2XL, because sometimes I just switch them out depending on how the style of the dress is and how I want it to fit on my body. So I wanted these to be a little bit tight, so I got them in a 2XL, and for when I get hoodies or jackets, I get 3XL. It says youth, blah blah. And a long black skirt. It's a long to my tone. This is the skirt. I think it's too thin for the fall or winter, but it's fine. Just gonna put some stockings inside, and that's it. I saved the best in last, which is the wig. Here it is. It's a 100% one here, and I got a 12-inch and 150 density, and it's a 13 by 4 wig. This is the wig. Okay, so I've ordered the two previous wigs that I ordered from Shein. They came with an extra band and wig cap and all that, but this time they only got me the wig, but it's fine. All the wig should be fine. That's all that matters. It's a 12-inch. This is how it is. This is the front. And you guys should check the next video because I'm going to be reviewing and installing this wig. I'm gonna do my best because this is the first time having a 13x4 wig. So we will see how it goes. Okay guys, that was the end of the video. If you watched till this part, thank you. That means you really love me, or you just want to see what I'm up to. You are new here, you might know me, you might not, and I don't know what to say, but thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and to like and to comment this video. You guys engaging with the videos gives me more courage and gives me more it makes me more willing to do things. So, and bye guys.